Hi everybody. Let's do a meditation. A daily meditation practice will change your life. This is an easy, quick meditation you can do every day. I'm Nora Day. For my meditation, I'll show you a little trick. I like to sit on a pillow. So, I like to elevate my sit bones. If I can do that, it gives my hips a natural tilt forward. So it's a little more comfortable to sit. So the longer you sit, the more comfortable this is. In the beginning, I definitely recommend sitting a little higher on a pillow. So, those of you that have a half lotus pose where you put one foot in your hip crease, I'd like you to take that. This is a nice seat. Those of you that have full lotus, you put both feet in your hip crease. So now you're in full lotus, and I have that natural tilt, which I like. Very nice. I'm ready to start my meditation. That's easy. So for me, this is like my foundation again. My foundation is my seat. So I want to stay seated, sitting upright in the front body. Relax your shoulders. Nothing going on in my mouth. My shoulders are relaxed. But this front body is holding everything up. So I'm just sitting. Open your hands on your knees. That's a nice way. You can take your hands face down on your knees. That's a nice way. Or you can take your hands in your lap. They're all correct. They all work. Wherever your shoulders feel more relaxed, that's where you want your hands. Keeping the front body lifted, close your eyes. Relax your mouth, relax your chin. Together, we're going to take an inhale to start. Through your nose, exhale. Through your nose, inhale. Through your nose, exhale. Already, we're doing a check-in with our front body, lifting. Relax your mouth, relax your shoulders. All I'm doing is breathing in and out. I'm not exaggerating the breath. I'm just breathing in and out. Every time I breathe in, I say to myself, breathing in. Every time I breathe out, I say to myself, breathing out. Your 100% focus is saying to yourself, breathing in, breathing out. As you continue breathing in and breathing out, check in with your shoulders, check in with your mouth. Check in with your front body, holding the body up. Come back to breathing in. Breathing out. Anything that you are gripping or holding on to, I want you to let it go. Stay with me. 100% focus is breathing in. Breathing out. Relax your body. Be as honest as you can for the last few breaths. Stay honest. One more breath. Take a bigger inhale. Out the mouth, exhale. Inhale, say to yourself, breathing in. Out the mouth, say breathing out. Open your eyes. That little bit of meditation can be a foundation for you every day. Very simple to breathe in and breathe out. You're just with yourself. It's you and your breath. Try this every day for a week, and I have a feeling it's going to change your life a little bit.